Hello, I'm Sri Lakshmi, and welcome to this showcase of the Agentic Workforce Schedule Validator. Manual workforce scheduling is a constant battle. Managers struggle with the three core scheduling questions: demand coverage, rule compliance, and staff availability. The solution is the Agentic Workforce Schedule Validator, a secure multi-agent system designed for immediate, explainable results. Our architecture is divided into three core layers: input, validation, and recommendation. Data starts with the simulator or enterprise input and flows to our deterministic engine for non-negotiable compliance checks. The LLM orchestrated Validator Agent then takes over, calling specialized tools to check coverage and availability, guaranteeing every constraint is checked. The output is a single, unified report that tracks scheduling accuracy and identifies every violation. The recommendation agent translates complex issues into simple, actionable steps. For example, insert a break for worker 9, or reduce one worker at hour 7. This system works in simulator mode for safe testing and enterprise mode, ready for plug-and-play validation of real-world schedules. This clean separation guarantees reliability, explainability, and manager-friendly guidance. From scheduling chaos to validated, compliant results. Explore the full code and analysis on Kaggle now.